Sound funny, do I? Drags it out.
How do you sound funny?
Don't you think my cough sounds funny?
How do you? I don't know what whooping cough sounds like.
Like a whoop,
Ooh,
bark and bark, and
like that.
they'll be on my cat.
Why don't you tell me what? You don't bark.
Whoop, whoop. I can't stop coughing, and my ear hurts so bad. That's what hurts the worst. On my throat.
So you get a tickle.
It's not a tickle, it's a sore. I'm going to tell that Dr. Bosnack when I go see him too.
Yeah. That you got whooping cough.
Well, tell me he needs to check my throat.
What does whooping cough sound like?
Whoop, whoop. Whooping cough.